In this part, we are going to talk about the set, and set is to store multiple items in single variables. And sets are unordered, unchangeable, and duplicates not allowed. And this is unchangeable. Unchangeable is implied that items itself cannot be changed, but we can add or remove items from the set, just like this one. And duplicates are not allowed. So for example, we can create a set by using the curly bracket, and we can store different types of items. For example, we have the apples, which is a string, an integer, and also a floating values. So now if you click on the set one, you can see this, and if you add the apples, you can see this is a duplicate item. So even if you add the apple, we can see we do not have another apple because this is duplicate. But if you add banana, you can see the set one, which is banana, can be added. Now we can remove the apple by placing the item here, and then we execute this. Now if you look at the set one again, you can see we have removed this one. So now we have 112.3 and also the banana, and we can also get the length, and which is 3, which has the 3 items. And now you can see we can convert this into set. We can see there are duplicate items such as A and C in the list, but if we convert this to set by adding the set functions, now you can see the set 2 just contain A, B, C, and it will remove the duplicate A and also the duplicate C. And because the items actually is unordered, we cannot access such like this. We cannot access the items by placing the index. So the set 2 is, for example, we can change this to 0, 1 and try to get the B like index, and you can see there is error because the set object is not subscribable. So this is how the set work.